What is the main component of the Earth's core? The answer is iron and nickel. Which is the largest confirmed impact structure on Earth? The answer is Vredefort Dome. Which is the deepest lake in the world? The answer is Lake Baikal. What is the largest salt flat in the world? The answer is Salar de Uyuni. Which is the largest national park in the world by area? The answer is Northeast Greenland National Park. Which continent receives the least amount of rainfall? The answer is Antarctica. What geological process is responsible for the formation of the Mariana Trench? The answer is subduction. Which natural wonder is famous for its towering sandstone pillars, often compared to the landscapes in the movie Avatar? The answer is Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. What is the largest coral reef system in the world, located off the coast of Queensland, Australia? The answer is Great Barrier Reef. Which natural wonder is a massive glacier located in Los Glaciares National Park in Patagonia, Argentina? The answer is Perito Moreno Glacier.